This latest virus first broke out in the central Chinese city of Wuhan on New Year's Eve. Then it spread to Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen, then jumped to other countries, Thailand, Japan, South Korea, and now
Chronic warning signs in airports and additional health questions at kiosks.
On a new virus in China. It's known as novel coronavirus. So far, 300 cases have been reported and 6 people have died. And before this week, the virus remained in
hospital emergency rooms will begin posting warning signs. Healthcare workers are being briefed on symptoms and reinforcing the need to wear gowns, gloves, and masks.
Coronaviruses form a very large family of viruses that principally infect animals. They can, however, occasionally infect humans, causing symptoms similar to the common cold and mild flu, and they can sometimes result in respiratory complications in people vulnerable to infection. Coronavirus infections are often not diagnosed as they're benign and tend to heal spontaneously. The viruses jump from human to human through the air, via an infected individual's secretion, or after contact with contaminated objects, especially in the winter. 2 coronaviruses have led to serious epidemics in humans, causing death. SARS, a worldwide epidemic which lasted between November 2002 and July 2003, and MERS, identified for the first time in the Middle East in 2012. In 2020, a new coronavirus emerged in China. The main symptoms are fever, coughing and breathing difficulties, as well as an upset stomach. SARS and MERS viruses originated in bats, then an intermediary animal. In the case of SARS, the masked palm civet, sold and eaten by humans in China, and in the case of MERS, the dromedary. At present, there's no specific medicine or vaccine for these viruses.
Warehouse workers should have facial protection and frequent hand washing after touching animals, especially calves. Elderly patients with chronic diseases or those who are in close contact with camels are urged to visit the nearest health center immediately if they develop symptoms of acute respiratory infection.